Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deborah Ide and today we are going to be installing a wig I got from Wiggins. I'm very excited because this is my first really good hair, and yeah, let's get into it. So I bought this on the 14th of April and there's Jenny Yenny being a support system. And it is actually the HD lace human hair. The body wave length hair is 24 inches and also the lace type is 5 by 5 and the hair density is 180 degrees. I don't really know if that's what I'm supposed to say. It's a very famous wig, I guess. Once you click on the website and you should see it there. I had a discount because the shipping fee was free, and there were also other items that came with it as well, like this beautiful pink box. I don't really know what it's supposed to be, but like I'm in love with it. The quality was really nice, very nice. I also had, I think, a mystery box and a special gift with no shipping fee, so that was the discount that went on. So I felt like I had to run for this opportunity. So inside the box you will obviously see the wig. Packaging was really nice, and you see their famous wigging bands. You see the famous bonnet that usually comes with it. They also gave me a wig cap 2-in-1, these lashes that look like wings, guys. So the next thing is the Wiggins edges band that came with it, and also the cotton comb, or usually I think they call it the rat tail comb, but in Nigeria I call it cotton comb. And then we also have the set of nails that came with it. Let me tell you, these nails that came with are very good quality, by the way, because I used to buy press-ons from Shein, and these nails are different. They are built different. So they're actually really nice products. I'll also show you them one by one. But yeah, that's how the box looks inside. I really love the box. I don't think I'll use it as a makeup box because I don't want anything to stain it. I just want this box to survive. This big band, I think this big band is to when you want to sleep and you leave your edges. That's what I think. I'm not so sure. So this edges band, I actually used it and I liked it a lot. I have never had something like this before, so it's first time for everything, and I liked it. Overall, the packaging, the delivery, logistics, everything was very good, and big props to Wiggins for that, because I had some scares with payments. I used PayPal and I got confirmation from PayPal, but I didn't get from Wiggins for a while, and they confirmed it for me via WhatsApp, and they also sent me an email immediately. They just explained that sometimes it takes a day, so all my fears and worries were literally for nothing. So the logistics and communication with customer service before and after payment was amazing for me, and that's a 10/10. I just want to say that these lashes are very long, and I don't know who is going to wear these lashes. Maybe I have to dash it to Jenny Any, but like, these lashes are long, guys. Damn. So I actually watched a very short wig tutorial video because this is my first time doing something like this. You can either bleach your scalp, which I did not do because I don't have that mental strength. So I just put foundation on my scalp a bit, to be spray, on my scalp. Then I think the problem with this part is that I put too much on my forehead. I should have put just a little. It didn't have to be so much. You will see why it's going to put it very small. Then it's just to secure the frontal on your head as you try to part the hair. So I tried to do a center part for this hair, and it was nice. So, but the edges I did they were not nice. I'm sorry. You'll see eventually. So I now had to do a side part, but I think it's good for the first time to try and do a center part in general. I'll leave you guys to look at my pattern because I feel like it was aesthetically pleasing and beautiful.
brings pain when you're no longer involved. That person has it all, and you just stuck standing there. But I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. I am the topic of conversation. It's a celebration. Let's toast to the fact that I moved out my mama basement to a condo downtown, cause it's all about location. I sit and drink wine and watch Californication.
So now you're actually supposed to use the Wiggins edges band to like secure the frontal on your forehead, so that when you want to make some cuts it will not move, and to spray the center part with a little bit of got to be blue spray so that it will be like stiff, you know, give it that kind of really straight pattern. But I like that, it was really nice, but at the end of the day, I don't know, it just looked weird for me though. So after I removed I don't know why I laughed there, but after I removed the edges band, the next thing to do is actually to remove that lace. What you need is a scissors, and you also need, like, you know, those face razors that you use to scrape your face. That would be the best to use. So I went into with the scissors, and after that I'll go in with the face scraping razor blade, and you kind of see how I did it. Although it did turn out well, but I think I will go in a little bit further and reduce the lace even more, just because for my own preference, after I watched the video I felt like, okay, I can do a little bit more. But I mean, if you like what I did, I think it's fine as well. So now I've actually removed as much as I could, but my coconut hair, they told me to stop here. I said I have to do edges. I don't know why. I don't know why I had to do edges, so I did that. And it's not as if the edges didn't turn out well, but like edges is not for everybody. But you see that eventually, and I decided to go with the center part. You're like, oh, I don't know. But I don't know if you guys have like a video you can send to me about how to do edges on wigs. But I did use like a scissors to cut out the edges that was kind of like plucked in a way. So it was nice to use that. And I used Gorilla gel, because the other one I used was got to be this Gorilla gel. And I don't know if I'm supposed to use Gorilla gel for edges on a wig. You know, I don't know, maybe that could influence the factor or whatever. And the edges were a little bit too long. So I don't know. Then here I was not trying to make the volume a little bit high by, you know, coiling it up a bit. I don't have that 3-in-1 coiler, which I feel like I would buy and will probably make things less stressful for me, because I do see girls doing it and it's always coming out so fine. So that's probably something I will get for myself. So while waiting for the edges to set, I had to just do like something makeup-ish. I just felt like I can't do this video and just do hair like that, so I decided to do a little bit of makeup. I adjusted my brows and went in with my foundation. I feel like my makeup game is actually getting better. Prior to last year, I was looking somehow, but this year I'm getting a lot better, and I now know how to really use my foundation well to look, you know, foundation-ish but like skin, you understand, because that's the vibe this period. So I set my face with my concealer, and I'm going in with eyeshadow. Now let me tell you one thing, I still don't know how people do eyeshadow. Like, I'm trying, but I'm not there yet. But like, eyeshadow is a really big, it's just confusing for me. But I tried. But yeah, I went in with eyeshadow and I contoured and did a little lip work. Which you'll see very soon. And I also wanted to put some eyelashes. I wanted to do that eyelash that was given by Wiggins, but guys, I was like, nah, I can't, I don't have the energy. I just wanted to fix my nails, but I was like, I wanted to do all Wiggins, but I was so tired and I knew that I was going to take it off in like how many minutes, so it wasn't really worth it. But I used my little lash extensions, which I prefer because they're tiny and they fit my face more. Yeah, you'll see that very soon. Yes, girl, look how fine I'm looking. Yes, makeup is not yet done, and she is a 10. With my trusty blush, highlighter, and contour kit. Blush is really good, but do you know the blush I would love to get now? Rare Beauty, but it's so expensive, and it's not in Hungry because we don't have Sephora here. So Rare Beauty blush would be amazing. But yeah, I went with my OG blush powder brush, and I really like the way blush looks on my face. It's cute.
Coming along, you can tell me that you never heard none of my songs. Long as you end up saying one day you plan to listen. Cause what's a star when it's most important man is missing? All I know, you and me only. I did it all for you, still you were lonely. We could've worked it out, but I guess things change. It's funny how someone else's success brings pain when you're no longer involved. That person has it all, and you just stuck standing there. But I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. Things change. It's funny how someone else's success brings pain when you're no longer involved. That person has it all, and you just stuck standing there. But I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. I am the type of your conversation.
So one thing about me is that my lips are going to crack. My lips are cracking. So I have to actually buy lip oil. I bought this lip oil, which is now missing, by the way. I don't even know why, but I bought it from H&M, and man, it's really, really nice, and it really brought my lips, like healed my lips in a way, because I've heard that lip oils have like essential oils and things like that actually help. So get you lip oil, please. So yeah, this is the finished look for the makeup. I just wanted something simple that I can take pictures with. Now this are the edges. You can see the edges are not edgy. Now you can see my facial expression. But like, I don't think they're that bad. I mean, it's not that bad with the right angle and lights. Like, it's not so bad. But yeah, that's my installation of this hair from Wiggins. I've been waiting for like a week now, and let me tell you, 10 over 10, soft, doesn't have any weird smell. I don't really know what to say. Like, this is really one of my best hair, and I hope it continues to last long, and I will definitely be purchasing for Wiggins. This is how it looks with an outfit and not close up, so that no people do know my edges are crazy. So that's it for this video. I really did love the hair, and obviously the outfit was just to be extra. But if you have any questions about the hair, let me know in the comments. And if you have purchased from Wiggins before, let me know in the comments, what was your conclusion? Do you like their brand? Do you think you purchase more? As for me, I'm a regular customer as far as I'm concerned. So that's it for this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, click on the notification button so that you will get notifications once I post. Bye guys, have a wonderful day. Bye.